Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're making natural cough syrup. Stay tuned. Thank you.
So for this particular homemade syrup, we'll be needing just 1 onion and then 2 tablespoons of honey. All we have to do is peel the onion, then we have to wash the onion properly, and then we have to slice. So yeah, why do I say onion for cough or cold or sore throat? Onions generally are antibiotics, as we know, and they're also powerful immune boosters. Onion contains sulfur compounds which fight mucus and expel it from our airways. So this is a very perfect ingredient when we're talking about cough, cold, or sore throat for grown-ups, or when we're talking about children, but not for the newborn, just so you know. But yeah, so this is just a very perfect stuff for cold. Then what about honey? Honey is also good for cough, cold. Yeah, especially the raw honey, because it contains antibacterial properties. It's just a natural antibiotic, so the both ingredients are perfect when it comes to cold. Yeah, for cough, like I said, sore throat for children, adults. Yeah, that's cough. You feel, oh, I've taken this medication and it's not going. Just try this, and then this could just be what you've been looking for all the while. Now you can see my spoon. I had to add 2 tablespoons, just 2 tablespoons. Well, most times it depends on your size of onion. You just need something that will cover the chopped onions, like soak it through. Not so much, because we'll be covering this, and of course we'll have to leave it for a while in somewhere heated as well. I mean, like, you can keep it on your heater, or you can place it around your gas cooker. Just something warm there around it, so when it's warm, then it definitely, you see the onions producing its own juice, and then everything will mix together. You turn properly, and then you can take 1 teaspoon here of it, and this juice can be kept in the fridge for a while, maybe let's say a period of 3 days, and then before you take it, you bring it out, and then you keep it in room temperature. You place it on your heater or somewhere warm. You can see after a while, this has produced more juice than we had before, because I had to place it, yeah, somewhere else. It was covered properly, and then this, as you can see, was not how it was before. After placing it on my heater for a while, like for some hours, yeah, you can see, wow, then the taste is okay. And yeah, guys, that's it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, just share this. Thank you.